3D printing, aka additive manufacturing, is a method of creating a three-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer-created design. It is a revolutionary piece of technology that allows users to produce intricate and complex objects directly from digital designs. After creating a design for the desired 3D project using a computer-aided design or CAD software, you can connect to a 3D printer and begin printing. The software will then slice the digital model into thousands of thin, horizontal slices and will construct the object from the bottom up, layer by layer, using materials like plastic, metal, or resin. Because 3D printers can create almost any object, businesses could use them to plug holes within markets through creating items that are in demand but are not easily attainable. Businesses can also quickly design, print, and test prototypes, significantly speeding up their manufacturing processes and enabling them to bring and develop products to market more quickly. For 3D printers to be successful going forward, they must become more affordable and continue to innovate in areas such as printing speed and precision. Some barriers that need to be overcome are the current limited options when it comes to materials that can be used, as well as a push for industries to embrace the use of 3D printing.